Hello everyone. If you want to fix your Wi-Fi issues on your Redmi Pad SE using Details tab, first of all, let's open up a Settings app. Let's scroll down to your additional settings. Here they are, and in your additional settings, you're to choose date and time. Now, make sure that the switch is turned on. If it's turned on, simply turn it off and turn it on again. This can help correct any connection issues caused by incorrect time settings, because sometimes that may happen. Now, in our settings, let's find our Wi-Fi tab. Here it is. Let's open it up. Simply toggle the Wi-Fi off. Let's wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. This method can resolve temporary connection issues. The next thing what we can do is to choose the network which we are connected to. So for example, this one, right? And now we can press forget network. So do that, confirm your choice by pressing OK. And after that, simply choose it again, enter your password and reconnect to it. This may help, and this helps for the most of times. Alright, the next thing what we can do is to reset our network settings. So in your settings on the left side, find your connection and sharing. Scroll down to the bottom and find your reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Choose this option. This option will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So press Reset Settings, confirm your choice by pressing OK. And basically that's it. Alright, after that we can try to change the DNS settings. So once again, open up your Wi-Fi section, choose the network which you are connected to, tap on the arrow icon. Now scroll down to your IP settings, here they are, and choose static. Now find your DNS1 and we are to enter a new DNS number. So let's do this. We are to enter .8.8, just like this. Go to your DNS2 and we are to enter 8.8.4.4. After you did this, press the check mark at the top right corner to save the changes. And using new DNS servers may improve our connection stability. And last but not least is our airplane mode. So swipe down from the very top of your screen to find your airplane mode. Tap on it to enable it. As you see, it's enabled now. Now locate your power button. It's right here on the top of your device. Press and hold it until you will summon your power off menu. Choose your reboot option, and basically that's it. After reboot, turn off your airplane mode, and this method helps restart our wireless connections and clear temporarily issues. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to hit a like and subscribe to our channel.